Pablo versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today the code that is going to be explained is blind auction program. So let's get started. So firstly we have from distils.command install scripts import install script. This line imports install scripts module from the distils command package. However, this module isn't actually used in the program and can be removed. Then we have from art import logo. This imports a logo which is like an ASCII art from the art module. The logo is used to display the title or visual representation at the start of the program. Then we have print logo. This displays the logo imported from the art module. Then we have print welcome to the blind auction. This prints a welcome message to introduce the auction. Then we have bits, which is initialize an empty dictionary called bits that will store the names of the bidders as keys and their respective bid amounts as values. Then we have is game finished is equal to false, a flag variable that controls the main loop of the auction. It is set to false initially, indicating that the auction is ongoing. Then we have def compare bidding record. This defines a function named compare that takes bidding record as an argument. This function will compare all the bids to determine the highest bidder. Then we have given highest bidder is equal to 0. This initializes variable highest bidder to store the highest bid amount found so far. It's initially set to 0. Then we have winner is equal to an empty variable. This initializes a variable winner as an empty string to store the name of the highest bidder. Then we have for bidder in bidding record. This starts a loop that iterates through each bidder in the bidding record dictionary. Then we have bid amount is equal to bidding record bidder. This receives the bid amount for the current bidder from the bidding record dictionary. Then we have if bid amount is greater than the highest bidder. It checks if the current bid amount is higher than the current highest bidder. Then we have highest bidder is equal to bid amount. That is, if the current bid is higher, update the highest bidder with a new highest bid amount. Then we have winner is equal to bidder. Uh, this sets the winner variable to the name of the current bidder as they have highest bid so far. Then we have print f. The winner is the winner in braces with the highest bid of highest bidder. So this, after the loop finishes, this part prints the name of the highest bidder and the winning bid amount. Then we have while not is game finished. That is starts a loop that continues until is game finished is set to true. This loop controls the entire auction process. Then we have name is equal to input. Enter your name. This prompts the current participation to enter their name, which is stored in the name variable. Then we have bidding amount is equal to int input enter the bidding amount. This prompts the particular participant to enter the bid amount, which is converted to an integer and stores in the bidding amount variable. Then we have bid name is equal to bid amount. This adds the participant name and the bid amount as a key value pair to the bids dictionary. Then we have should continue is equal to input are there any other bidders? Type yes or no. Ask for participant if there are any other bidders. The response is stored in should continue. If should continue is equal to no, checks if the participant's answer is no, meaning there are no bidders. Then we have is game finished is equal to true. This sets is game finished to true, which will set up the main loop ending the bidding process. Then we have compare bits. This calls the compare function with the bits dictionary as an argument to determine the announce the winner. Then we have else if should continue is equal to yes. If the participant answered yes, the loop continues allowing more participant to bid. Then we have print continue bid. This prints a message indicating that the bidding will continue. Then we have hash clear. This line is a placeholder for the function that would clear the console screen. It is commented out, meaning it is of like just given, and these two are also a comment line. So let's quickly see the output of this program. So as usual, main.py is the opening command prompt, python main.py. So here we have that image. Welcome to bid auction. Enter your name. So my name is ABC. Enter the bid amount. I'll enter 10k. I'll say yes. There is another bidder. Enter the name. We'll go with BCD. Enter the amount. Say 15. Bid in between those. The winner is BCD with the highest bid of 15,000. So thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.